Ready, Mom? Let's go. Mom, it's heavy. Let me help.
It's fine, I got it.
Ready, Mom? We should get going.
Ow! It hurt! Ow!
Hey!
Why do you keep pulling me? Are you crazy? You're not a bone. You never understand it.
Get me out of here.
I told you I can't go.
I love you, Mom!
I love you too,
Ow!
son.
Keep trying, Mom. Still pushing it? Seriously? Don't touch me! Stop! Stop! Stop!
At Vejthani.Hospital, we treat more than orthopedic diseases. We bring back mobility, comfort, and restore your happiness along the way.
You said you were taking me on a trip.
You can go on a long trip after this, Mom.
To be honest, I didn't want to go on a trip, but I will get my revenge.
What, Mom?
With a team of top specialists, cutting-edge technology, and world-class standards, we ensure a precise and speedy recovery. Vejthani.Hospital, the king of bones, strengthening bones while redefining quality of life.